The entire experience at the workshop was nothing short of amazing. To have all of these individuals in one room, to see how many moving parts go into coordinating what needs to be coordinated in the time of a disaster was certainly a valuable experience, I think, for everyone that sat in the room for the last 3 days. There is so much to put together, and there's so much that we all learn from one another in terms of what's been missing. We can fill in those gaps. Now there's an opportunity to put a comprehensive plan together, and one that lands us all in a place where everyone is working in concert, everyone is on the same page, the right message is going out not only to residents but to the general public, the international public, and now we are in a position where we're understanding better what the DDME is faced with in times like these and how we can support what they have in place, how we can be at the table making sure that everyone knows exactly what needs to happen, what is going to happen, and what has to happen. And so I can certainly say that personally I've gleaned a lot from this, especially now today going through the tabletop exercise and actually going through the motions of what it would be like to be in the midst of getting ready for one disaster and having warnings for a second disaster right on its heels. This is something that definitely at this crucial time we needed all to experience. It feels like we're going through it in real time, and that is definitely going to be of great value to each and every one of us.